The Gulfstream G700, introduced by Gulfstream Aerospace, is a significant advancement in business aviation, combining advanced technology with unmatched luxury. In 2024, the base price of the G700 is $79 million, up from its original price of $75 million in 2019. Customizations, including custom interior designs and advanced avionics, can add between $5 million and $20 million, bringing the total cost to approximately $85 million to $95 million. The G700 offers impressive performance metrics, featuring a maximum operating range of 7,750 nautical miles at Mach 0.85 and 6,650 nautical miles at Mach 0.90. Its maximum operating speed has been increased to Mach 0.935, making it the fastest aircraft in Gulfstream's fleet. The aircraft's cabin altitude has been reduced to 2,840 feet while cruising at 41,000 feet, enhancing passenger comfort. Designed with the passenger experience in mind, the G700 offers the largest cabin in business aviation, configurable with up to 5 living areas. Features include a large suite with an expanded lavatory or the industry's largest ultra galley, exceptionally quiet noise levels, 20 Gulfstream panoramic oval windows, and a 100% fresh air system that refreshes every 2 minutes. In terms of operational excellence, the G700 has set more than 65 intercity speed records, including a landmark flight from Los Angeles to Sydney in just 14 hours and 26 minutes. The aircraft received Federal Aviation Administration (FAA) type certification on March 29, 2024, followed by European Union Aviation Safety Agency (EASA) certification on May 15, 2024, facilitating increased deliveries to international customers. The Gulfstream G700 is also equipped with advanced avionics, featuring the Symmetry flight deck, which includes active control side sticks and an enhanced vision system for increased situational awareness. The aircraft's Predictive landing performance system ensures safer landings, especially on shorter runways, adding to its appeal to global business travelers. Gulfstream's commitment to sustainability is evident in the G700's ability to operate on sustainable aviation fuel, SAF, reducing its carbon footprint while maintaining high performance. Beyond its technological advancements, the G700 has become a symbol of luxury travel, attracting affluent customers such as business executives and celebrities. Its spacious cabin, customizable interior, and seamless connectivity options, including Cal-band Wi-Fi, offer a flying experience that rivals that of a 5-star hotel. With the aircraft now certified for global operation, Gulfstream anticipates strong demand from international markets, further strengthening its position as a leader in long-range business jets.